Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the NASDAQ futures for Friday, October 27. For the record, today is Thursday, October 26. Time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and yesterday I was getting a bit suspicious about the events that I was observing in the market. Like the Dow Jones and the DAX were not really following the NASDAQ. But in the meantime, the Dow Jones also took out the October 4 low, and we got our fourth and fifth wave here in the NASDAQ. So let's say that the markets are aligned, and now the question is what exactly will happen from here. So I think we are still working on the way for correction that did not really change. So now I believe this, so we already had the wave W, this was the wave X up in the NASDAQ, and so now it looks like this wave Y will unfold because we had this fourth and fifth wave today will unfold as an ABC as here indicated in red. So that would mean from here we have a wave 1, a wave 2. This looks to be the wave 3, then a wave 4 up, and then from here a fifth wave down. If we look at the 1 hour here, we can clearly see like this 5 waves, 1, 2, a good wave, 3 down, 4 up, and now a fifth wave ending here with divergence. So actually this is like a complete structure. We have our 5 waves, we have divergence. We are also here at a resistance area. So actually that would favor a reaction to the upside. Of course, you should know in the higher time frame, we are clearly bearish. So if we look at the weekly, we are going down. This is, for the moment, we believe this is a corrective move down. But if you go down, like everything can play out in the right direction. So could be that we have a complete structure right here and that we see some upside as a wave B, at least as a wave B, but then this upside should again be followed by a wave C down to complete this structure right here. But if you want to take this, I have to stress it, like we are bearish, so do your risk management, do or use the appropriate strategies, because we are bearish in the higher time frame. But this looks complete. So from here, 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, this fifth wave looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have divergence. We are at resistance. So that would favor the case for some upside from here. The alternative scenario would be now indicated here in green. Yeah, that we are actually moving in 3, and that we have very shallow wave X retracements. Like if we would analyze this last, assuming that this is a Y leg, then like we could also consider it for now as 3 waves, like 1, 2, and this instead of going up from here, we can have another good drop down into this area right here. Then this area we can find by taking the length here of our wave W, the length of our wave X, and then we can go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So that would be the alternative scenario here in green, but yeah, this looks more like 5 waves down in my opinion, with also here an ending fifth wave. So from here, expectation would be to see some upside as a wave B, but I have to stress the direction in the higher time frame is bearish. Okay, and then yeah, this might have some implications for the higher time frame, what we all did here in the lower time frame, but this I will analyze this weekend. So this weekend I will make a video about the higher time frame to put everything into perspective and to see what we can expect next. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for a video about a higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.